This one lighting change can instantly make your photos look professional. And it has nothing to do with expensive gear. Lighting is one of the most misunderstood parts of photography. Most people think good lighting means more light, but it doesn't. It means more control. This is the trick one: light direction. A very common mistake is placing the light directly in front of the subject. It feels safe, but it kills depth. And this is why. Front light removes shadow, and shadow are what gives shape to a face or an object. And this is how to fix it. Move the light slightly to the side. Just 30 to 45 degrees is enough. Attention! No direction in light means no depth in photo. This is the second trick: light softness. Soft light is more flattering. That's why cloudy days and window light works so well, because they're soft. Hard light creates strong shadows that most of the people don't know how to control. And this is how to fix it. Bring the light closer to your subject or diffuse it. You don't need any fancy modifiers. A curtain, a wall, or a reflector works. You can see how the shadows under the nose, on the left side of it, and on the left side of the face are softer after using a diffuser. Don't forget to take the diffuser close to the face. A quick question for you: do you like dramatic light or soft light? Let me know in the comments. Trick number 3: light distance. Most people place lights far away. Then they increase the power. Of course, they're going to lose softness. Do you know why? The closer the light, the softer it becomes. This is one of the simplest lighting principles. And now I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Instead of adding more lights, move one light closer. Better light placement beats more equipment. Good lighting isn't complicated at all. It's all about softness, distance, and direction. If you apply these 3 lighting ideas, your photos will instantly improve. Subscribe if you want simple photography ideas without overthinking. I'll see you in the next video.